Oh, come on, it's been a long day.
Hey, Blue Pig, what did it feel like when the wolf blew your straw house down?
What do you think?
I bet it sucked.
Hardy har har. At least we're safe now.
That's right. Ain't no wolf getting into my brick house.
Hey, pigs! Hey, pigs, hey!
What?
Wolf! Whoa! I guess they shouldn't have dozed off. Hey, Jack! Look what I can do!
Hey, do you mind?
No, not at all.
Please, he'll hear you.
Yeesh, sounds like you've got a real stalker.
I implore you.
Are you worried he's gonna cook your goose? Hey, Jack!
What?
Ogre! Quit your harping!
What? I didn't say anything.
Ow, 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 ow. Aw, no more breadcrumbs. But I'm still hungry. If I'd known I'd had to buy lunch, I would have brought more dough.
Oh no! You ate our trail home! We'll be lost!
Wow, sounds like a crummy situation.
We'll never make it out of the forest now. You've doomed us, you stupid mango.
Nuh-uh, there's a bunch of paths. Just pick one. You can go north, west, south, or east.
I guess we'll go that way.
Which?
That way.
Which?
That way, you stupid mango.
No, which? Whoa, I guess that's how the cookie crumbles. I'm still hungry.
Hey guys, Danebo here. Hope you enjoyed Once Upon an Orange, and if you did, make sure to drop kick that like button. Just smash it in the face. And make sure to tune in next week because we've got a crazy big episode coming up. It's full of all kinds of guest stars from past episodes like Smosh and Mystery Guitar Man and Kassam, so make sure to check it out because you know why? We're gonna roast Orange!
Wait a second, I gotta be the butt of a joke? Looks like it's gonna be a rump roast.